Today, very nice to see you here. Welcome to our live show for Canton Fair. We are WMT CNC Industrial Co. Limited. Today, I am very honored to be here to represent my team, WMT CNC. First of all, let me make a brief introduction for my team, WMT CNC. We produce and sell machine tool equipment like CNC lathe, CNC milling, drilling machine, milling machine, lathe machine, grinding machine, and band saws. We have CE certificates for each machine. There are experienced QC members in our workshop. They are very cautious during assembly, testing, and inspecting the machines to make sure every machine is precise and perfect. Okay, let's start our trip in the workshop. Hello, my friends. Well, look at these machines. They are ready before delivery. Have a look at this. This is a milling and drilling machine. The machine spindle, the column, the work table, the base, the oil pan, the machine stand. Each parts are installed well and tested well before delivery. We just need to package to deliver. Okay, so how can we get these machines ready? Today, I will show you our production process, detail by detail, and step by step. Okay, let's start and let's go to see. Workshop tour will start here. This is our machining workshop. Every part of the machine will be machined and manufactured here. Look at this. It is a rough machining area. These two are double head milling machines. They are used to machine the outer surface of a part. It can be a headstock or a work table. Anyway, it is used to machine the outer surface of a part. After rough machining, all parts will be put here for precise machining. Look here. These are vertical machining centers for precise machining. All our essential elements are produced and assembled by ourselves. This is the machine bedway. This is the machine headstock. We produce by ourselves. And here, it is a CNC boring machine. Our engineer is making the headstock here. All the essential main parts are produced by ourselves. Here, we have all the parts in lots. These are the work table for the milling machine. These also the work table. And here, these are the columns for milling machine. Here, it is the base, the machine base. We have so many parts in lots, and we produce by ourselves to make sure that we have prompt delivery and qualified machines. Here is our metal plate making area. Look, this equipment is laser cutting machine. It is used to cut the metal plate for the machine. Look at this. It is a full cover for the CNC milling machine. We make all the machine covers, splash guard, oil tray, and machine stand by ourselves. It's our QC department. Before assembling, we will test each part to make sure that they are qualified. Look, our QC is inspecting the parts. It is a spindle sleeve for the milling machine. Here we come to our part assembly line. These are headstocks for lathe machines. These headstocks are put sequentially on the wooden pallet. Look, this is the working area for our part assembly line. Our workers are assembling and making the parts here. Another part assembly line for motor. Here are the motors. You know, there are two kinds of motors for the lathe machine, like brush motor and brushless motor. Look, our worker is installing the motor here. Here we come to the whole assembly line. These machines are just after painting. Look, here, our workers are installing the machines. They are installing the main parts of the machines. Okay, look at these spindle box, the column, table. These are almost the machine frames for a ready machine. Okay, let's go to another process. Let's go. This is the assembly line for the lathe machines. These machines will be exported to Russia and Austria.
剪刀太快了，剪刀太快了。
Machine works fine and the accuracy is good. We will pack them immediately. Look, our worker is loading the machine on a wooden pallet. Okay. Well, look at this. The machine is installed well on the wooden pallet by the screws. They are fixed well and then will be put together. After being loaded on the wooden pallet, our workers will clean the machine surface. Then we will cover the machine by an anti-dust plastic cover. This is an anti-dust plastic cover. Finally, we will pack the machine by this kind of plywood case. It is a plywood case. Okay?